first grade. So today we're going to talk about contractions, which is just a way of taking two words and shortening it into one word. So let's read a story. It says, "Today you will meet Misty. She is not a puppy. Misty is a kitten. She will grow big one day. But now she is small. She could not even jump on this table." Okay, this is kind of a long story. So I'm going to take some of these words and shorten them into one word. I'm going to smush them together. So I can take the words you, will, and I can drop the first two letters of will. Let's just get rid of those. You'll, and I add this little apostrophe in there. So smush those together, and it becomes you'll. Today you'll meet Misty, which is the same thing as saying today you will meet Misty. I just kept the end of the word will. Let's go to the next sentence. She is not a puppy. Okay, let's take the words is and not and smush them together. So I'm going to get rid of that O and make it say isn't. And I got rid of that O, so I'm going to put the apostrophe right where that O used to be. And now it says she isn't a puppy. And that NT will always mean not when it's on the back of a word. And we still have our word is. Misty is a kitten that you can hear meowing. So let me smush together the words Misty and is. If I get rid of that I can make it say Misty's a kitten. Misty is a kitten or Misty's a kitten. She will grow big one day. Okay, I have the word will again, and I'm going to do the same thing I did up here. Get rid of the WI, move that double L over to this she, and make it say she'll. She'll grow big one day. But now she is small. Okay, let's take that is and smush it together. But now she's small. She could not even jump on this table. Okay, my last one. Could not. I have the word not again, and I can shorten that to just an NT with an apostrophe in it. She couldn't even jump on this table. And this is Misty. Look. Today you'll meet Misty. She isn't a puppy. Misty's a kitten. She'll grow big one day, but now she's small. Look how tiny. She couldn't even jump on this table if she tried. Thank you, Misty. Now let's look at these words and figure out what's missing. So, couldn't splits into could not. Remember the NT? NT means not. And we still have the word could there. So it could not. So wouldn't, okay? The NT is the not. And let's just figure out what that first word is. It is the word would. So I wouldn't or I would not. Shouldn't splits into should, which I have right here, and nt means not. The next one, didn't, the NT means not, and my first word is did. I did not go to the store, or I didn't go to the store. Okay, now we have can't. This one's a little bit tricky. The NT still turns into not. CA isn't a word. I can't say, I cannot go somewhere. I can not. So the word is can not. And I don't want to have a double N, so I only use one N there. And for the last one, it says won't. I'm sure you've heard this before. I won't do that. Okay. Something not. It's not I will not do that. I will not do that. You say I will not. So the word is will. So sometimes the first word doesn't actually exist in the contraction, the shortened form, but we just need to know that won't means will not. Okay, now let's look at this one. She'll means she will. She'll go to the store is the same as she will go to the store. So that LL, if you remember, means will, and that apostrophe splits up the first word and the contraction, and I can find the word she, which means she will. So the next one, he'll means he will. If you look here, I have the double L, which comes from the word will, and I have he. He will do it or he'll do it. Next we have you'll. You'll do your homework. You will do your homework. So we can shorten it to you'll, or we can write it all out as you will. Next we have we'll. Like, we'll see each other when we get back to school. That's the same thing as saying we will. We will see each other when we get back to school. And lastly, we have they'll. They'll go to class. Or they, which is right here, they will go to class. So that double L at the end just means will. They will, we will, you will, he will, she will. That's all for today. Thank you.